Hi, my name is David Morris and I am the pre-owned sales manager at Kenshaw Toyota Scion in Toronto. I would like to invite you here to our dealership to have a look at your next vehicle. As an award-winning certified Toyota dealership, we are uniquely positioned to meet your needs. Our dealership speaks over 10 languages, employs over 130 staff members, and has over 80 used vehicles in our inventory. Since 1968, having and keeping loyal and repeat guests has established the reputation that has brought you to Kenshaw Toyota today. Whether you already know which vehicle you're interested in or you're simply starting your search, I invite you to come to our dealership and one of our product advisors would be more than happy to show you what we have available. Most of our vehicles are Toyota certified, which means it has gone through our rigorous 127-point inspection, and we provide a free CarProof history report with every purchase. Buying a vehicle is the second biggest purchase most people make, and that is an important factor that our product advisors keep in mind. We should be able to find the right vehicle that you're looking for in the color, equipment, and the specs that you want. Kenshaw Toyota's professional team members are committed to providing you a great car buying experience. Thanks, and I look forward to seeing you soon.